Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori 2 maths class. Students, today we will do activity of match the same shapes. Match the same shapes. Students, look here, which shape is this? Circle. Which is a circle shape? This one is a circle shape. Now we will make the same shape. Which shape is this? Triangle. And which shape is this? Triangle. Now we will match the same shape, triangle to triangle. Square. Which shape is this? Square. Now we will match the same shape, square to square. Rectangle. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Now kids, it's your turn. Make the same shapes on your maths copy. Allah Hafiz.